Guys, if you're unable to start your APC pack UPS from the power button, the most likely cause for that is a dead battery. Naturally, check that your power cord is plugged in and plugged in on both ends, and make sure that the extension cord or the power outlet you're using is getting power, and the the battery connector in here that's plugged in. But after that, if it doesn't start with a long press, most likely the battery is dead. I know that in this case with this unit the battery is dead because my friend gave me this unit and it was giving the sound for battery replacement, and the replaced battery LED was also blinking. But this unit has been sitting for a few weeks and now the battery is totally drained and it won't do anything anymore from the power button. Unfortunately, with this model, the battery, according to the manual, is not user replaceable, but still you can go ahead and replace the battery yourself if the device is not under warranty. So there is a label here that you will void your warranty if you remove the screws. So in order to replace the batteries, you need to unscrew the back panel and the front panel, and then you can access the batteries. I'll leave a link to a video for replacing the batteries somewhere over here. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.